Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's stay here and focus on this settings bar. Now we have to tap to the third from the right button so we can get access to our aspect ratio. We are in 3 and 4, we can pick also 9 and 16. And as you can see, the background has changed to the different one. Another tap here and let's move to 1 and 1, the square one. And here we get also access to 4 and 5, so the full one. And this is how to change it. Let's tap again, you can pick whatever you need. Now let me move back to 3 and 4, the original one. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.